You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Today we're really digging into some fascinating tech shifts.
That's right.
We've got everything from Apple finally jumping into foldables to AI performing actual surgery,
Yeah.
and even some really counterintuitive results about AI and coding productivity. It's a lot.
It really is.
Yeah.
And the goal today isn't just, listing what's new. It's about exploring what this all means.
Right.
How these changes are reshaping our work, our lives, how we interact with everything. The speed is just incredible.
Okay, so let's kick off with hardware, the big one. Apple's foldable iPhone. It sounds like it's actually happening.
It does. Reports say OLED production is underway for a 2026 launch.
2026, and it's an inward folding design, apparently. They're aiming for something like 6 to 8 million units just in that first year.
Which is ambitious.
Yeah.
And get this, Samsung Display is the sole supplier for those foldable screens.
Sole supplier for several
For
years.
several years, yeah.
Yeah.
That signals a pretty deep reliance on Samsung's know-how in this area.
Definitely suggests the tech is still tricky, or maybe it's just a strategic play to get to market faster using a proven leader.
That kind of strategic partnership, we see it elsewhere too, like with autonomous tech.
Okay, good transition. Tesla's Robotaxis.
Exactly. They've just applied to test and deploy in Phoenix, Arizona.
Expanding from the Austin pilot then.
Right. And it's worth noting, those Austin vehicles, they're still remotely supervised.
Oh, interesting.
And they actually have a human safety supervisor in the car with passengers. So, full autonomy isn't quite here yet.
Still got a human backup. Makes sense.
And layering onto that, Elon Musk recently announced Grok 4 AI is coming to Teslas soon.
For natural language interaction inside the car.
Yeah, interacting with the car's systems. So AI is getting embedded deeper, not just for driving, but for the whole experience. And this push into AI, it goes way beyond cars.
Absolutely. Which brings us to Harmonic AI, co-founded by Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev.
Right, their mission is, well, it's huge, building AI to solve really complex math problems.
And they just raised $100 million at a $900 million valuation.
Yep, Series B funding. It's impressive, but you have to wonder, can AI really crack problems that have stumped mathematicians for ages?
That's the big question, isn't it? Or is the value more in pushing the boundaries, even if they don't solve Fermat's last theorem tomorrow?
Precisely. They want to tackle unsolved math problems that maybe expand to physics, computer science. It's incredibly ambitious.
So connecting that ambition to maybe more practical AI software development, Google's been pushing there too.
They have lots of work on AI tools to boost developer productivity. But here's where things get really interesting.
Oh.
There was a randomized controlled trial recently, the gold standard for research.
Okay.
It found that experienced open source developers using AI coding tools were actually 19% slower.
Wait, slower? 19% slower?
Slower, despite the fact that they thought they were 20% faster.
No way. How does that work? They felt faster but took longer? That seems completely backwards.
It's a real head scratcher. The study wasn't small. Either 16 devs, moderate AI experience, nearly 250 tasks on complex projects they knew well.
So what's the theory? Why the disconnect?
Well, one idea is cognitive load. Maybe they spent extra time checking the AI's work, or just the mental effort of managing the AI tool canceled out any speed gains. It makes you question what productivity even means with AI involved.
So this whole idea of human-AI collaboration, it's clearly not as simple as AI makes you faster, especially for experienced people.
Not at all. It really complicates the narrative.
So where else is AI pushing boundaries? You mentioned surgery earlier.
Yeah, this is pretty mind-blowing. An AI-trained robot recently performed 8 surgeries on pig organs, gallbladder removals.
By itself, no human controlling it.
Completely autonomously, with a 100% success rate.
Wow.
It was trained just by watching videos of human surgeons.
That's incredible. So the potential, human trials maybe within a decade.
That seems to be the hope. Imagine replicating the skills of the world's best surgeons anywhere.
It's just staggering. From foldable phones in our pockets, to AI developers feeling faster but being slower, to robots doing surgery, the range is immense.
It really is.
Yeah.
AI's reach is just expanding so rapidly, and the impact is, as we saw, surprisingly nuanced sometimes.
Definitely gives you pause. It makes you think about how fast this is all moving.
It does, and it leaves us with a pretty big question, doesn't it? If AI can do surgery, tackle complex math, but also maybe trip up seasoned developers, What does real intelligence augmentation look like?
Hmm.
How do we actually use these incredibly powerful tools to genuinely lift us up, make us better, not just automate things or, sometimes even make them more complicated?
A question we'll definitely keep exploring. Lots to think about there.
Spoken Tech for your ears.